Hi there guys, once again you are watching Time Gate Moments. Please welcome back to the show or channel. Likewise, if you are watching this for the first time, please welcome. Now today's talk or short theme of discussion is on astronomy, aka cosmology, the study of the sky in relation to the earth below, which is a massive subject matter with a long, rich and extensive history from the ancient world to classical times, throughout the centuries, all the way to our society today, 2024 or 1446 AH. Now, just to clarify something or a quick disclaimer, this is not an expertise by Time Gate Moments to subdue or fully explain the subject. No, it's too broad. However, this is just an opportunity, a candid window to express and show you just two of the 100 or so proofs that the earth indeed is flat. It is neither a solar system, nor a moon or an astral system, or Lucas or Steven Spielberg system, or an ET system. No, it is a geo system. This is the only earth that there is, and the center of our wonderful universe. Now, having said that, to bring your attention and focus to this picture, as a savvy observer, you can estimate between the furthest lamppost and the one nearest to us on the right hand side is about 250 or so meters. Yet the furthest lamppost appears to be much shorter than the one nearest. Why? The answer is very simple and obvious, because of the law of perspective in relation to distance. It has nothing whatsoever to do with the fictitious and imaginary curvature of the earth. Nothing. Now, to further use this as a demonstration of sunrise, the furthest lamppost would be your sun position in the east, say 5 or 6 a.m. in the morning. And then as the sun gradually approaches us, she appears to pick up elevation or height, whereas in reality the sun does not change her height above the earth's surface. Once she gets to this position of this lamppost nearest on the right hand side, that would be your 9:30 or 10 a.m. sun sky position. I hope you got the point. It's so obvious. Now this clip was taken somewhere above the Swiss Alps, a beautiful, cool landscape indeed. Guys, can you see it? That was slightly fast forwarded to show you. Maybe you saw it, maybe you did not. Nevertheless, let us look at it again in slow motion. Here we go. Now, ladies and gentlemen and viewers, what you are looking at is a real example of what I was attempting to show you using the street lamps. As you can see clearly, the sun is moving, shifting and traversing from east to west, and the corresponding shadows casted by the trees below, you can see the shadows are shifting against the sun's westerly motion. Incredible. Guys, the point is this: there's no globe earth spinning 1,000 miles an hour, what have you, somewhere in space. No guys, the earth is stationary. That's why you don't feel it or see it spinning, because that is the case. The earth is a massive, tremendous terrestrial plane that has been stretched out as far as the horizon or your eyes can show you. Now, with this sample, the same thing or understanding applies. The furthest clouds in the distance on the right hand side, they appear to be much closer to the earth's surface, whereas the ones nearest are way above us in the blue sky. Nothing to do with the bendy earth. It's a matter of distance relative to perspective. Now, just to highlight something, you may have read or saw publications, magazines, books on astronomy, school, society, pictures, internet. A professor said this and a professor said that and what have you, that the sun is 60, 80, or in some cases 93 million miles away from the earth. No. The fact of the matter is the sun is less than 3,000 miles above the earth's surface or the equator. To be more specific, 2,700 miles above the Earth's surface. This is the absolute truth, what you are hearing or witnessing here. Now, which brings us to this illustration from Getty Images. I'm going to use this to demonstrate the sun's motion through the sky as she heads for her setting point, or the vanishing out of sight point, commonly known as the sunset. Now, you must understand something, first and foremost. The sun, 32 miles in radius, is a massive nuclear fusion reactor that is moving and shifting and operating across the sky wirelessly. Yes, wirelessly. It has been designed that way by the Creator and the creating forces that govern our universe and nature. Now, going back to this picture, between each lamppost or bulb or light bulb, that would represent your sun, the sun's shifting in her trajectory, say every 20 or 30 minutes time lapse. You see, I mean, look at these lampposts. They are on the same street, the same concrete, the same platform, the same road. Yet the furthest lamppost appears to be much shorter than the one right here on the right-hand side nearest to us. Why? Maybe there's 60 or 70 meters in between the two. Exactly how, there's no bend in Earth, there's no curvature. This is exactly how the sun operates above the Earth. Now guys, what you are looking at here is, by the way, look, the sun never changes or alters her altitude or height above the Earth's surface. She's always at 2,700 miles above the Earth's surface. You see, whether she's about to vanish out of sight here or set, whether she's above your head during the daytime or midday, whether she's rising in the east, she's always at that height. You see, nothing to do with a bend in Earth or curvature. Nothing. It's a matter of distance. Now, this sun here, this is easily 6,000, 7,000, 8,000 miles away, way out there in the west. You see. Now, the best way to symbolically illustrate this phenomena as a representation would be the yin-yang of the ancient Chinese culture or civilization or wisdom, whereby the night is continuously chasing the daytime. In other words, all the lands or places the sun approaches or comes over, she gives them light as she moves over them, whilst at the same time leaving behind her a trail of darkness. That is, night is pursuing daytime as the sun and moon rotate over the Earth's surface from east to west. And there will be a future videos explaining some of the other proofs to explain and illustrate this phenomena. You see, now somebody at this location, maybe 8,000, 9,000 miles away, for them it's probably 4:30 a.m. Or maybe they are sleeping, depending on how distant they are from you to the west, or how behind they are to you to the east. You see, I hope you got the point. It's so obvious. And speaking of points, this is the purpose of the video here. You probably know this by intuition. Maybe it's society or popular media that may have distorted this from you. So yeah, there we go. Find out about this name. Add it to your list of things to do in life. Why not? We go play football, sports, holidays, family, work, money, the cars, what have you, whatever, friends. Add this to your list of things to do. It doesn't cost anything, you see. And as always, it is a pleasure of Timegate Moments to have shared this with you. If you got any comments, follow-ups, please let us know. And please, don't forget to subscribe. As always, take care. Goodbye.